Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. This Wednesday morning I'm going to run Alpha Master for 10 minutes or so, and let's see how much money I will make. The thing is, I say or so because I will wait till every trade are closed before I stop the robot. You can run this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now and you can download this robot today and get started today. Or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free Telegram signal group for Forex. If you are interested about that, check it out. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And just like that, $329 in matter of 10 more or less minutes with our binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot and get started today also. Link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.